Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit A2Z or Arena Z from your wallet to Binance account. So Arena Z just get listed on Binance spots, and this is the charge. If you want to send or deposit your Arena Z to Binance, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps, and then you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. Then as you can see, there is advanced here. You can click it. Then you can choose on-chain deposit. And then as you can see, you can search A to Z and this one. And then you can choose the network, which is Ethereum. You can click it. And this is your A to Z wallet address. You can copy it and then you can paste it on your wallet to send your A to Z to Binance. After you send it, it will appear on your Binance account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.